Trading is one of the best ways to make extra money online. It is a skill that you gotta build. I've been trading for over 5 years now. Long story short, a lot of lessons, a lot of failure, but with just like anything else, you just gotta stay down. So stick around. I'm gonna show you guys how I made money today trading SPY options. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. And if you're interested in learning how to trade, click the link in the bio. Yeah, with that being said, let's get into the trade breakdown. All right, so I took this trade New York session in the morning. This was roughly around 11:20 when I entered. I was staring at the charts for a minute, just trying to be patient. Didn't really get a clean setup. After reviewing the market, I see this setup down here. This was kind of fire. Could have took this. There's also equal highs up here. This is kind of fire. But I didn't see that, so I actually ended up taking this trade here. So I traded inversions, and I saw price had inversed this gap right here. We inversed it right here, and that's pretty much when I entered. And yeah, I was just targeting this LRLR. I took most of my position off right here. And then I had a small runner that got stopped about right here. And I'm going to post the screenshots so you guys can see. But essentially, this was about a 1.5 R trade, which is my usual. On the high end, sometimes 2+ RR if I'm leaving runners. But generally, over around a 1-to-1 risk to reward is normally what I go for. But a move like this, you definitely could have held to, higher liquidity levels. But just how this market has been these past weeks, I just wanted to take it right here and just be done for the day. Especially because I started, I've been looking at the charts since 9:30 that morning. So it's 11:30. I'm trying to be done by like 12. So we also were delivering from this higher time frame for value gap. To me, it was a pretty good trade. It was a pretty good trade. This one down here would have been better, but again, I didn't see that. If I had to grade it, I'd probably grade this like a B+ setup. Great momentum. Obviously, we just shot straight into profit. Little drawdown, actually no drawdown, to be honest. It just shot into profit, so that was a clean trade there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a quick breakdown. I'll show you guys my A+ checklist as well. I trade inversions, but I don't take every inversion I see. This is pretty much what I use to grade myself right here. So we can kind of just go over the grade for this trade. We had a sweep, obviously. We were delivering from this gap. Obvious liquidity target, which was really good. I only trade IFEGs, so that gets checked. We did have SMTs. So this whole week, SPY and QQQ's been having a bunch of SMTs. So I checked that off. Bias. Bias definitely counts because we're delivering, and just the fact that we had this LRLR, I won't give us a check for premium and discount. We barely was in discount, but if you use the range from here to here, then it's in premium. So that's why, to me, it's a B+. It had the potential to be a A+ if it would have inversed a little lower in the range, but it is what it is. So I'm going to post a screenshot up here. You should be seeing it right now. And yeah, this isn't my full-time job. I just, trade on the side to supplement my income. And hopefully one day it'll be, my full-time job. But yeah, hope you guys like the breakdown. If you trade options, let me know down in the comments. What do you normally trade? Do you trade like stocks or stuff like that? Like me personally, I only trade QQQ and SPY. So. And I trade 0 DTE. I'm normally in and out of my positions pretty fast. So that's it for the breakdown. Like and subscribe. Also hit the link down below if you guys want to join my mentorship And also where I do live trading. I live trade twice a week. Hope you guys enjoy the video and hope you learned something. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.